Our next caller is Carolyn from Fitzgerald. Hi, Carolyn.
Oh, hello.
Hi, Carolyn.
Hey, Carolyn.
How you doing?
Doing well. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good. Go ahead with your question.
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead with your question.
Yes, ma'am. My question is, what should I do if I was in a store and I was getting ready to walk out the store, but the door's open, and the time I took a step, I fell and I hurt myself. What should I do about?
Carolyn?
It sounds like she fell going out of the door to the
Yeah.
store.
Right.
John?
Well, if there was something wrong with the door and the store owner knew or should have known that there was something wrong with the door, then yes, you could very well have a potential claim. One thing we haven't talked about yet is that virtually every property owner has what they call medical payment coverage, and that is to cover medical bills regardless of whether they're at fault or you're at fault. So if you have any medical bills, you should go back to that store. I would recommend you get a lawyer to advise you in the claim, but as part of that claim, you also have a claim on any medical payment coverage that store would have to pay for your medical bills, regardless of whether they're at fault or not.
That's a good point.
Opinions expressed on Law Call are those of the participants and do not necessarily reflect the opinions of 13 WMAZ staff or management, nor any legal or judicial entity. The legal information supplied in this broadcast is general information only and is not intended to be legal advice for any given situation. Do not rely on broadcast information without consulting an attorney. Contingent attorney's fees refers only to those fees charged by the attorneys for legal services. Such fees are not permitted in all types of cases. Court costs and other additional expenses of legal action usually must